Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Some more breaking inputs coming in at this point in time, again related to the Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development for 2024 that was presented by Sonia Gandhi to Michelle, the first and only woman president of Chile and former chief of UN Human Rights. While Sonia Gandhi said as India's first and only woman PM, Indira Gandhi reshaped the country with her policies, and hence this particular prize to Michelle is quite apt. BJP, on the other hand, viewers, has slammed the Congress party's decision to award the 2024 Indira Gandhi Peace Prize to former Chilean president, accusing her of aligning with an anti-India, pro-Islamist narrative. BJP netas are also saying that the Congress's decision to award her was both revealing as well as predictable. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Akanksha, who's joining us live from the newsroom. Akanksha, take us through the reactions that have come from the leaders of the BJP.
Absolutely. Bharatiya Janata Party has attacked the Congress party for awarding the Peace Prize to a person who they claim is anti-India and pro-Islamist. This is reaction coming in from Amit Malviya of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He said, and I quote, "Congress's decision to award the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize to Michelle is as revealing as it is predictable. The former president of Chile and UN Human Rights Commissioner between 2018 and 2022 built her tenure on distinctly anti-India, pro-Islamist narrative that aligned perfectly with the global left liberal ecosystem." He goes on to say here that she repeatedly weaponized the very ideals of the liberal democracy, free speech, dissent and minority protection to amplify the Congress-style playbook of disruption, distrust and manufactured outrage, especially by recycling the discredited myth about Kashmir. Her habit of accusing India of marginalizing Muslims fit nearly into the same propaganda template. But the real issue here is not her bias. He goes on to say it's the Congress's eagerness to revolt it. He goes on to say that for a party, and he's alluding to the Congress party here, that has been rejected and cast aside by Indian voters, it makes perfect sense to seek comfort among those who share the hostility towards India's interests. Rahul Gandhi and his circle have simply found ideological companions abroad. Good luck to them, because the country has clearly moved on. And he has, in fact, attached a video of the award, the Peace Prize that was given to this lady here, which the Bharatiya Janata Party saying has an anti-India and pro-Islamist narrative.
Right. Akanksha, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this. Let's go across to my colleague Pragya as well, who's live with us right now. Pragya, a big attack there coming from the BJP. BJP saying that this act really shows how Congress party has found ideological allies abroad as well who share anti-India stance.
Well, this has been stand of the BJP as far as Congress is concerned for a very long time, ever since Rahul Gandhi has gone abroad and in fact criticized India and its democratic constitutional institutions. The whole allegation of the BJP on Gandhi family is that they're trying to destabilize India. Because they want to grab power, they are going abroad and seeking help from the foreign forces to destabilize the country, which is progressing on a very good level as compared to the UPA. Now having giving this reward to Michelle, who is also a former US president. We spoke to Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. He was a union minority minister, and he said during his time also, she used to give statements that were not in, not in favor of India. In fact, she used to victimize all the minorities in the country and used to project a very bad image of the country as well.
Right.
In fact, this is a well-known fact, and Congress must be also knowing about this. And this looks like a very deliberate attempt to, reward all those people who seems to be not in alignment of the present government, at least.
All right, Pragya, appreciate you joining us with your input.